Good day traders, this is Liam from Sureshotfx. Today I've got another forecast about US30 for the upcoming week. But before we look ahead, let's quickly talk about what happened last week with US30. We'll discuss how the market moved and where it might go next. As usual, we'll start our analysis on hourly time frame. Here we can clearly notice the sideways market for the past couple of days with no momentum at all. Here, after sweeping out this low liquidity, market tried to push higher but failed to do so. Now if we go to higher time frame like 4 hour, what can we notice? Here market is correcting to upwards with higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. And now may potentially going to create new higher high by taking out this swing high point. Now, let's head back to hourly time frame and see what are we expecting from US30 this week. As you can clearly notice, multiple equal highs has been formed, which generated a pool of buy-side liquidity that can be targeted easily. Last Friday, during NFP, market pushed down, swept this low and filled up all the imbalance with a massive rejection. So, now we're expecting that Monday may induce traders to downside and mitigate this rejection block. And then with lower time frame market shift, we can look for buy setups targeting this buy-side liquidity. But, let's say market wants to go even deeper to sweep this engineered liquidity and mitigate this fresh order block, we can again look for same rejection and market shift for our buy setups. So, let's summarize the forecast once again. US30 bias is strongly bullish and we're expecting an inducement to these rejection or demand zones to look for buy setups and target the buy-side liquidity. That's all for our US30 forecast for the week. Make sure to subscribe to Sureshotfx for more helpful information about forex. I wish you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next video.